Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show a making of this beautifully designed Ari Maggam pattern using the normal stitching needle. We can also try this at home easily. This type of designing will really enhance your beauty and so simple to design. Firstly, I'll be using here the ball chain lace. Here I'm making it on the sleeve, and the fabric I'm gonna use here of gold tissue fabric. Now on that line I'd be applying the glue to stick the chain ball lace first. Now I'd be applying the glue lines like this to stick the green color kundans of drop shape, which is small size. I'm gonna elaborating here step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Next to that I'd be applying again the glue line to stick the chain ball lace. This is how we'll highlight the sleeve openings. Now I'd be applying the glue dots to stick the framed kundans. This is how it looks, and this is of square shape. These are also available in different sizes and different shapes. So here I'd be using the small size of square framed kundans. Also I'm using here gold Zardosi string, which I cut in 1.5 inches in length. This is to highlight these drop shape kundans, creating into the mango shape. The gold work which we are creating with the Zardosi, that shape will be indicated in the mango designing. These designs are very authentic and will really give a creative look once you wear it. So you can also try this on your old blouses, removing the side stitches, fix the frame, follow these instructions to try it on your old blouses to turn into new design blouses. Just follow these instructions and design yourself at home easily. Just these materials are very minimum charges which you can pay, and putting your less efforts you can try this designing by spending very little time. See how easily it's been designing the mango booty here using this kundan, also with the Zardosi string. Just on this tip, curve it into the circular shape and give an invisible stitches on it so that the perfection of the shape will be defined. And underneath this chain ball lace also I'd be giving here with the joining of these Zardosi strings, overlapping on it, creating the padded load stitch here like this. Here I cut the Zardosi string which is of very small size. I think you can clearly see here what I am doing here, so that you can clearly understand. But having any doubts you can write to me in the comment section so that I can address your request. It's just so simple. Starting from the center of the previous Zardosi string, just overlap it and give the stitch like this. Follow completely on the sleeve opening design. Once the chain ball is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on it so that it will stay for long run even after the frequent washes. Use the quality material because after washing also it will not go off. So the pattern will be continued in this way on the complete neckline, also on the sleeves. This is how the border will be created, but if you want more richness on the sleeves you can also try this into the 2 steps. That means this would be the complete first step for the creating of the border. The same way on the top of this we have to create one more line like this so that the richness which I have shown in the pic, you can try it like this, will really very beautiful look if you're gonna try this for the bridal or for the party wear collection. And once completed, the border here would look like this. Really friends, this will really looks nice. Once you try it you will also love it. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon, support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.